There's a question I don't think enough people are asking. Are you paying for enterprise automation when you don't actually run an enterprise? Because if you can answer that, then you might just save yourself a whole lot of time and a whole lot of money. Zapier is the OG automations tool that taught a generation of small business owners what automation even was. I know because I've built hundreds of workflows in it. Their team paved the way for businesses like yours and mine to work better and automate almost anything. But in that time, Zapier has evolved and become an enterprise platform. And while that's not necessarily a bad thing, it's worth asking yourself whether that growth is working for you or against you. Because with this in mind, let's take a look at Zapier and compare it to a newer automation tool, Stepper, and see if you can find the one that actually fits where your business is today. So what does enterprise actually mean when we're talking about automation? It means things like multiple team members editing the same workflows, role-based permissions so your intern can't accidentally break a business-critical Zap, audit logs, SSO, compliance certification, and admin dashboards. Zapier has all of that baked into their team plan starting at $69 a month. If you want or need more, their enterprise plan has custom pricing and packages. It's true that some businesses genuinely need this. For example, if you have an ops team of 5 people all building and maintaining automations together, shared folders and granular permissions aren't overkill. They're actually a necessity. But you, my service-based small business owning friend, there's a 98% chance you're building your automations alone. You map them, you build them, you turn them on and forget about them because no one is bothering them. On average, small businesses run about 10 to 15 automations. So the question isn't whether Zapier's enterprise features are good, it's whether you'll ever even need to use them. So what could you use instead? Honestly, Stepper's a great alternative. It was launched in late 2025 by the Paperform team and was built explicitly for small businesses and solopreneurs like you and me. Since launching, Stepper has released 100 of the most crucial integrations for platforms like Notion, HubSpot, Google Workspace, and Stripe. There's no enterprise SSO, but what Stepper does have is a conversational AI interface that builds your workflows for you, and Components, a feature that turns your workflow block into reusable steps that can be added to any future or existing workflows. Think of it as your own personal template library. For example, say you want to send a welcome email from multiple automation triggers. In Stepper, you can create the component, write the email, click save. Then in another workflow, add the component block. Where is my easy button? Because in Zapier, you would need to redo every part of that setup I just mentioned inside every single workflow you wanted it to be a part of. So double the work, double the time. For a solo operator or a small team, that's the kind of leverage that matters. Not shared permissions, but reusable logic. How I look at it, Zapier is the right tool for you if you have a team of people building and maintaining automations together. You need deep integrations with more than 8,000 apps across your complex tech stack. You're running high volume workflows and need enterprise grade reliability and compliance. And most importantly, you're already invested in the Zapier ecosystem using their other tools such as interfaces, tables, or their MCP. But Stepper is a killer solution if you're a solopreneur or a small business building operations mostly on your own. You want AI to help you build those workflows without needing to know how automation works. You want unlimited steps without your bill scaling every time a workflow gets complex. And you're just getting started and wanting something that doesn't require a learning curve. The price difference is real too. While both Zapier and Stepper offer fairly extensive free plans, Zapier's professional plan is $20 a month, and every step counts as a task. There's also some apps like QuickBooks that require users to upgrade to a paid Zapier plan regardless in order to access it. Whereas Stepper's Pro plan is $19 a month with unlimited steps and no barriers for accessing apps. For simple workflows, those numbers look similar. For complex ones, Stepper wins at cost. So I'll leave you with this one final thought. Small business doesn't mean small operation. Some of you I know are genuinely running complex businesses. You've got a mid-sized team, multiple departments, and serious compliance requirements. And if that's you, use Zapier. Their features won't be overkill for you because it's exactly what you need as you continue to scale. But until you hit that point, you'll be paying for an infrastructure far and above your needs and your means. And that's the one question that is only worth answering. Not which tool is better, but which tool is built for the business you're running. If you're not sure, drop a use case in the comments and I'll help you get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.